Uh, Good morning for everyone. Today is a special day for our hospital. I'm Dr. Nadish, DMO Divisional Hospital Kiriyalla. We have some issues regarding our wheelchairs and our walking aids. Uh, I informed to that issue for Belagam Piratana Tero, and Belagam Piratana Tero contact with Abhay Welfare Foundation, and they agreed to donate some wheelchairs, walking aids and crutches to our divisional hospital. And behalf of our staff, I warmly thank for Belagam Piratana Tero and Abhay Welfare Foundation to donating us this medical instrument. Thank you. Good morning for everyone. Today we have a special day. I'm Dr. Nadish, DMO in Kiriyalla National Hospital. Uh, so recently we have got issues with our wheelchair and our crutches because most of our are malfunctioning. So I informed that to these issues regarding for the Belagama Pirathan Tero, and Tero contacted with Abhay Welfare Foundation, and they agreed to donate some wheelchairs and crutches and some walking aids to the divisional hospital. So, in behalf of our staff, I warmly thankful for Abhay Pirathan Tero and Pirathan Tero and Abhay Welfare Foundation for donation to this item to our hospital. Thank you.